What's up, positive people? You got Dana here, and it is Thursday, and tomorrow's Friday, and then I'm off, and I can't wait. I had like the worst day of work today, and honestly, this has been like a really shitty week. Yeah, I don't know. It hasn't been a full moon or anything like that, but everybody's been showing their ass, and caught myself crying today at my desk. Like, ugh. It's a mess, man. It's a mess. But, it's what it is. It's not a big deal. It's not the end of the world. Every day can't be good. And there are just some people where misery loves company. So, I'm looking forward to the day where I'm just like numb to like people's bullshit. That day has not come yet. I have work that I have to turn in today, discussion stuff that I have to turn in that I need to work on. I ended up leaving work about an hour and a half early so Marla could get her first COVID shot. They approved Pfizer for kids 12 and up, so went ahead and took her. I'm really missing traveling, so we're just trying to get it out of the way so there are no barriers to travel should we decide to do so this summer. And I really do want to travel, so I'm doing it. So far, she doesn't have any symptoms, but she also got the shot 5 hours ago, so I'm not exactly sure. And then obviously, the worst of it is after the second shot. So fingers crossed. So far, she's in good spirits. She just said it's a little sore, at the injection site, which is like everybody experiences that. So I'm gonna have my eyes and ears on her, make sure she's good. But today was a shitty day. I ate my feelings. I got mad junk food. That was dumb of me. So tomorrow my plan is to get back on the good foot, get back on track. I really want to stop emotional eating. I really want to stop, carbo loading when I have a bad day at work. And I haven't done it in a while, but it doesn't change the fact that I gotta chill. I had a strawberry shortcake from the convenience store, the ice cream, the ones that that we used to get in school. I had one of those. I had half of a Hostess cupcake thing. I'm probably gonna eat the other one, whatever. I have this cinnamon roll that I haven't eaten yet that I'm probably gonna eat. I have a full-size Rice Krispies treat. I'm just laying it all out there, okay? I was in my feelings, and I typically eat my feelings when I'm in them. So this is where we are now. This is where we're at. I wish I could say that, I had self-control and was able to do better, but today wasn't that day. I was just so pissed off coming home from work and just completely broke down. I did have minestrone soup though, and my plan is to take that to work with me tomorrow. I got the Simple Truth minestrone soup. I had that. My plan was to have that. I had some vegan whipped cream that I bought, and I was gonna have pureed mango or pureed strawberries. Man, halfway through the minestrone soup, I was like, fuck it. So I'm looking forward to the weekend. I'm looking forward to getting it in walk-wise. I'm also looking forward to working out. I need to get back on my damn rowing machine, stop being a lazy ass. Today's just not my day. Thursday sucks, okay? Hopefully tomorrow will be better. Hopefully tonight's sleep will be good. It's all good. Every day can't be a great day. Every day can't be a great day. I did my brows. They are definitely distant cousins. They're not sisters, but I did them. It's so funny. I feel like I'm cursed when it comes to brow products right now. I went to Sephora Mother's Day and got a 3-in-1 brow pencil thing. And I think I threw it away by mistake. I think I left it in the Sephora bag and threw it out. $27. Wasted. The last time I had good luck with a brow pencil was I had a Gucci brow pencil. Oh, so good. Drew on butter. Brows looked so natural. Oh, I'm like this close to buying it again. This close. This close. Yeah. Anyway, I'm about to burn this diptyque candle, have a glass of Pinot, and finish this last discussion question that's due in the next like 2 hours and 45 minutes. So till tomorrow, till later. Peace, positive people.